Hey everybody, welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're going to be doing a makeup application. So we're going to be taking from that to this. This is my lovely friend Jaylin. She is so nice enough to be a model for today's video. So if you'd like to see how I did her little natural kind of makeup look for the day, then go ahead and please keep watching. As always, I always start cleaning the canvas with my micellar water. This just makes sure that we have a clean slate to start off with. Then I went in with the Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream, which is my absolute favorite, just massaging that into her face. And then next I actually used the MAC Strobe Cream. I don't know exactly the name. I have like a very tiny jar of it that was given to me as a gift, and it's the white shade with a little bit of the shimmer, silver shimmer if you will, but this leaves you like a really nice kind of finish. Next we're going to fill in her eyebrows. I'm using the MAC Spike pencil, which is my absolute favorite. Jaylin already has beautiful, nice, thick eyebrows. We're just filling in, just kind of lining the bottom, and just kind of giving her a little bit more shape to her eyebrow. I'm carving on her eyebrows, and if you see my videos, I normally don't do this. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. It just depends how I'm feeling, honestly. But today, I was feeling it, so we went ahead and carved out her eyebrows. Then we're going to go ahead and put on some foundation. Today we're using the Mercier foundation. I'll put all the details in the description down below in case you want to know the exact shade. I did match the rest of her body because she is a little bit more tan, as she mentioned. So as you can see, I'm matching the rest of her body. Everything in with my beauty blender, and I like to do this just to kind of give the foundation a little bit of extra push into the skin to make it look a little bit more natural. She said she wanted to do something very natural and like subtle, nothing too intense, so this is exactly what I was going for, but she did want a glowy appearance, so that's why I used the MAC Strobe Cream in the beginning. And then we're going to do some concealer just to color correct on the under eyes. Doing a little bit of a cream bronzer. I just wanted to add a little bit of warmth into her skin, and that's what we're doing here. I'm using my Makeupforever HD palette, which I absolutely love. You guys already know I always use that one all the time, so that's what we're doing here. exactly what I was using, but we did use the Glossier Beam Cream Paint, and it's a very, very nice subtle blush I like to use on clients. And then we're going to go in with the eyeshadow. Again, she wanted something super subtle, super natural. It was just a warm color on the crease, and she did want a wing, so that's what we're doing here. As you see, it's going to be very subtle right now, but then after I showed her how she liked it, she wanted the wing to be extended. So right now it's going to be very small, but then towards the end of the video you'll see that I did extend the wing, and we did use a brown eyeshadow as well. Here's where I am extending the wing, and as you can see, I am using the Tatcha palette, the Sephora palette, which I absolutely love. As you know, if you've been here for a while, this was my palette, but I did move it to my kit. I only used it like once or twice on myself, to be completely honest with you, and I absolutely made sure to disinfect everything and sanitize everything before putting in my kit, and that's what I normally do. If there's something that I don't hardly use in my own makeup, I just move it to my kit, but I always make sure to sanitize and disinfect everything before. And then we are lining with the KKW Nude 2 lip liner. I love the KKW lip liners. I don't know what happened to her brand, honestly. However, LA Girl makes really good ones that are comparable, and ColourPop do as well. For the liquid lipstick, we're using Dose of Colors Catching Feelings, which I absolutely love this color. Oh my gosh, every time I do makeup on someone, I put this color on and it's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I swear. Dose of Colors is like my absolute #1 favorite liquid lipstick as far as like application goes on anyone else, even on myself. They're just super comfortable on the lips, like no lie. And then we're gonna do a little bit of gloss. She just wanted a little bit more gloss just to kind of give a little hydration back into her lip, so we're doing that here. And of course, we're gonna do some highlighting. I did use the Hourglass Ambient Highlight. I kind of mixed the 3 shades together and applied it on her skin, and it was absolutely beautiful. It was nothing too overwhelming. It just gave the right amount of highlight, but not like too dramatic, you know what I mean? And then for the inner corner, I definitely went in and did the gold from the Dior palette. So that's me showing her her makeup look, and then setting everything with the Tatcha Dewy Skin Mist, which is beautiful. And then here we are, a very, very natural look. So gorgeous. Look at that. Honestly, so pretty. Here we are extending a little bit more. But that is the end of it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Bye.